Now we introduce the diode laser hair remove machine BR318. This is the working handle. This is the water cup and its tubes. And the glasses for protecting eyes and the power line. Now we install the machine. This is the water in hole, water flow hole, water out hole. Before doing the treatment, we have to inject the water first. Now we install the water cup. Before installation, we have to make sure this silver tip must be up or must be down. It means that we have to press this silver tip and then insert. You will hear sound, and when you want to remove this tip, we have to press the silver button on the top of the hole first. Press and then pull out. Okay, now we insert. Press first and then insert. And then we insert this tube into the water flow hole. The same must be, make sure this silver tip must be down. Press first and then okay, now we inject the water. This water is the pure water. Please make sure. And then when the water is full inside, it will come out from the water flow hole. When you don't need to use this machine, we have to clean out the water from the machine. And now we show you. We insert this tube into the water outflow. Press first and then insert. Okay, you will see the water will come out from the machine. Okay, when the wastewater is reached to the 3/4 of this wastewater bottle, we have to remove the wastewater from this filter. Okay, we turn off the water bottle like this. And then clean up the bottle. And then install the hair. This is the shell for the working handle. Before doing the treatment, you have to use some tools to install well these screws inside. You can see there are 3 screws inside. And then when you finish install them, the working handle can be put on it. Okay, now we install the working handle. Before installation, you have to match the hole and then insert. And the last step is tighten. Okay, finish. Okay, when you want to remove the working handle, you should open the button first and then press the orange button beside of the working handle and then pull out of the working handle. Finish. Now we start the machine. We should turn on the power button like this. The next step is turn on the key and then turn on the emergency button. Then the machine is open now. Now we enter into the screen. You can see there are different parameters for option. Okay, the first one is the single pulse mode. You can adjust the power and the pulse time here. And the second is the multi-pulse mode. Also, you can adjust the power pulse time and the frequency here. The third one is setting, system settings. And for the page 1, page 2, page 3, you can adjust the parameters by yourself. And every treatment, we should start from the lowest level. Once your clients can accept, we can adjust it step by step. And here, the first one shows the water temperature. Second one shows the air temperature. And the last one shows the water flow speed. And here we can adjust the working handle temperature. Before doing the treatment, we have to remove the hair first. Use tools and then remove the hair. And then next step, we need to put some gel on the treatment part. Okay, now we start the treatment. Before doing the treatment, we have to press this black button. Then move slowly on the treatment part. It's okay.